Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw when you cannot draw. And I want you to use these tips for cases like you want to create greeting card for someone and you are not satisfied with your drawing, or when you want to create artworks to decorate your house. But I don't want you to use these tips to copy someone's art, call it your own and sell it or something, because that's not nice, that's not cool. So what we are going to do is we are going to learn tracing, because obviously you cannot learn drawing in a snap. So we are going to do tracing.
The first method is to trace using pressure. What we are going to do is we are going to take our blank page and we will put it beneath our drawing. And then we will take a sharp pencil or a pen that is not working, and then we are going to draw over our drawing with a lot of pressure. Now what this is going to do is this is going to make an impression on our blank page. I know you can't see this on the camera because it's not a very good quality camera, it's just my mobile phone, but I can see the impression that this activity has made, and I'm just going to draw over it using my pencil. Then I will just shade it or color it, anything I want. The second method is to trace using carbon paper. Carbon paper is very easily available in most of the stationery shops. So this time we are going to place our blank sheet beneath our drawing, and then we are going to put carbon paper between them. Then we are just going to draw over it and our drawing will be traced on our blank sheet. This method is comparatively easier than the first one, but it can also be a little messier. You need to be very careful or you will end up getting ink smudged all over your drawing and your hands. The third method is to trace using a digital screen. For this method, we are going to download or open the drawing that we need to draw in our either laptop or iPad or mobile phone, anything that we have. And then we are going to switch off the lights of the room because it just makes it so much easier. And then we are going to place our blank sheet over our drawing in the laptop or iPad, and we are going to lightly trace with our pencil. Make sure you are putting very less pressure with your pencil because you don't want to spoil your screen of laptop or pad. It's not worth it. You can easily draw some characters using this method and then just give it to your children to color, and it will keep them busy for a while and you peaceful.
In the end, I just want to say that though tracing is quite convenient and very useful, it is not an ultimate solution. And if you want to become an artist, you'll have to work hard, you will have to practice and improve your drawing skills, because you cannot always copy someone's art. You will have to bring your own ideas to life at one point. So keep working, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you'd like to watch more videos like this, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.